Okay, so I'll make another try on this. We just stopped the program and we'll start running it again. Okay, he sees me, he beeps that I'm nearby. Okay, I'll move somewhere else. Let him search me now. I'm right here. Over here. Where am I? I'm here. Yeah, it's coming to me. Okay, come on in here. Here. Okay, now this side. Oh, that was a slow response, and I guess it's running. The sensors are not really reacting fast. Okay, it's a bit doing what it's supposed to do, so we'll stop here.